How to make knowledge last. How can you help your audience, whether it's students or your team or your workshop participants, really remember the content of your, whatever you did, workshop or speech? How can you help them really take it home? By using a handmade creative version of the format Pecha Kucha. It's a magic visualization method to help your audience really make any kind of content last. Pecha Kucha is a storytelling format. First of all, each audience member creates a number of slides with super simple drawings and then presents each slide for exactly 20 seconds. And that's the trick. 20 seconds, that's all you have for one single slide. And that way they really internalize the knowledge you gave them on different levels. But let's go back. Let's see how this works in detail. Let's go outside to meet my team who's going to demonstrate this super fun and extremely quick exercise for you.
Okay, here we go. Now these two wonderful ladies just got a private session on design thinking and innovation. By the way, that's what this channel is all about. And if you want regular trainings on innovation, mindset, tools and strategy, simply subscribe and hit the bell to get notified each time I post new videos, which is Tuesdays. So after completing your workshop, your class or your speech, you ask your audience to sketch the essence of what they remember. You hand out paper. In our case, I hand out 6 pieces of paper for each participant, and I also have colorful pens. The number 6 is totally arbitrary, so you can also ask for 4 or 5 slides if that makes more sense to your content and if you need it to be more concise. And then you tell them that each piece of paper, or let's rather say handmade slide, should represent one key aspect. Now you give them only a couple of minutes to sketch, really. In our case, 3 minutes in total. Don't give them more time than 30 seconds to a minute for each slide, because they should really get into the doing mode, just going for it, not judging themselves or their style of drawing. Really cheer them on also during this exercise that they can draw. If they have more time, people tend to become more and more critical, but that's really not the goal of this game. It's for them to capture what they've remembered from the top of their head, use visualization, because that way they process the knowledge about 70 to 80% better than just in writing, and they can also better communicate it in the next step, which is the presentation step. So after these couple of minutes, your participants give a presentation with the help of their handcrafted slides. For each slide, traditional Pecha Kucha style, they only have 20 seconds. Show them the time or give them a sign after 20 seconds during the presentation so that they can switch their handcrafted slides and move on after 20 seconds. In our case, we had 6 pieces of paper, 6 slides, 6 times 20 seconds makes a total of 2 minutes only. So all in all, this exercise is 3 minutes prep and 2 minutes for each person to present their main takeaways. That's it, super concise. Bravo! Now again, to wrap up the benefits of this exercise, this adapted Pecha Kucha method really helps your audience to reflect on the content you gave them. They capture it using visualization and time constraints, and then by presenting it, they make it last even more. It's a method to literally take the content home. Thanks so much for your time and energy. I hope this content is of value to you. If so, like and subscribe, and see you soon for another innovation training session. Take care. Bye-bye.